NAVICS, the IP-based naval communication system by Rohde Schwarz, is designed to ensure operationally proven, secure, and fully IP-based voice and data communications. Maintaining complex technologies, especially at sea, requires a dedicated staff, time commitment, and resources. The technical experts at Rohde Schwarz guarantee peace of mind by offering professional maintenance, repair, and overhaul services for the whole lifecycle, including cyber resilience from one source. From analysis of operational requirements, system design and production, to system commissioning and lifetime support. Rohde Schwarz offers low obsolescence, where a customer is able to hand over everything to the company's technical and technological know-how. NAVICS benefits include, first, a support network extending over many different time zones with over 70 service and sales locations enabling 24/7 service support. Second, comprehensive services throughout all phases of the product lifecycle. Third, it also includes regional service centers, production plants, and specialized subsidiaries, providing a wide range of services, planning, and training. And fourth, Rohde Schwarz is a reliable partner under any circumstances.